New coronavirus mutations are spreading faster than health authorities can keep up. A new strain identified in South Africa and the United Kingdom is now present in 45 nations, including Israel. Medical analysts believe it will be the dominant strain by February. So is the mutation a threat to the already struggling world vaccination efforts?
But in South Africa, you've got two additional ones at a very critical part, what's called the receptor binding area domain of the virus, where the virus attaches to cell to establish an infection. And that's caused a worry because it increases the infectivity of the virus, and there are some other kind of questions which we still need to answer.
If the virus is more infectious, it means the spike protein that COVID uses to attach to human cells has changed, and all vaccines target that protein, meaning there is a risk that the vaccines are less effective as the virus mutates more. But it's not a certainty.
That does not mean that the vaccine is not going to work. And I think the common wisdom around the world is that the vaccine will probably still work. However, if it doesn't, what that would mean is that the vaccine will need to be tweaked on a regular basis, and that can be done quite easily.
To test the threat, scientists at the Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory in the United States tested 4,000 mutant strains of the virus against antibiotic serum, natural antibodies harvested from coronavirus patients who recovered. All mutant strains were stopped by existing antibodies, meaning the current vaccines still work.
It's not changed the game. It's not that it became so fatal that it became from something that is danger to something that is extremely danger. So it's a concern, but not dramatic.
But here's the challenge. More divergent strains mean more unpredictable mutations, and further changes to the virus's receptor bindings could make it immune to current antibodies. As more people get sick, the virus has more chances to mutate, meaning it's a race against time to deploy the current vaccines before they become useless.